Hello, this is HYCHIKA 32 pieces reciprocating saw blade set, which contains 22 pieces HCS blade for wood, 10 PCS BM blade for metal, and 1 piece transparent plastic storage box. How to install and replace the saw blade. Turn on the chuck counterclockwise. Insert the saw blade, and loosen the collar, then install the base plate. Let's check how it works. Replace the saw blades. Firstly, the saw blade is blunt and can't cut the wood smoothly. Now we need to replace it with a new saw blade. Secondly, the saw blade is blunt and can't cut the iron tooth. To replace the new saw blade. Look, the saw teeth are dull. Cannot cut sharply. Different from the new one.